Alright, so as you can see, I have nothing up on my fire alarm system right now, because usually, it's empty. So for now, I got something new. Today, I'll be wiring up, this is the PlayStation's back box, as you can see right here. And now this one is the wires for the alarm. The PlayStation back box and the horn strobe or speaker strobe back box. Really cool. Doesn't move all the way because usually it's stick together, because I installed the screws on it, but alright, let's go ahead and wire up this PlayStation now. Alright, so as you can see, the first thing that I did is I wired up the white wire. So this white wire is the 4 and 3. The 4 and 3 are the positive wires. So what you're gonna do and is push all the wire, push one wire into it and then screw it in all the way. So you screw it in all the way after you put one wire onto one terminal. And now the second terminal is the third terminal, number 3 is the positive wire now. So you're gonna do is the hard to push them. Alright, there. Then put one wire into here, and then you're gonna go ahead and screw them in. They're really easy, so make sure you easily wire the PlayStation wires. So 4 and 3 are the positive, and now 1 and 2 are the negative. So as you can see, 2 negative wires. And then, yeah, let me go ahead and screw this thing all the way. Alright, so as you can see, one wire is here. So connected to the wire terminal number 2. And now the negative wire, which is the negative terminal number 1. The last one. And then we'll be wiring up the alarm. Oh, God. Let's go ahead and push one wire into it. Alright, let me push the wire up the way. Alright, so as you can see, I already connected the 2 wires. So 3 and 4 are the positive, and 2 and 1 are the negative. So after that, you might remove this screw, as you can see. Remove it, and then open up the PlayStation, and mount the PlayStation onto its own back box. We're going to go ahead and do this now. So we're going to go ahead and put the wires in it, and then we're going to wire up the alarm. Alright, so as you can see, you have the PlayStation wired. I did not install the horn strobe, but this thing is right there, but I did not even wire it, but it's not gonna sound, but, don't worry about that. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so as you can see, I just paused the video because usually I have to put in 2 screws on it. So as you can see, this positive wire is the strobe positive. Oh, and also there are 2 strobe positives. So the positive is this one, even though I lost the screw of this one. And this one is the positive, and this one's the negative. The strobe negative right here. But I did not wire up the horn because usually I don't want to wake everyone up, but why not? And after that, you're going to slide in your alarm. Slide it in. And also take your faceplate or term plate, whatever, and then snap it in like that. Just like that. Now your alarm doesn't shake. But yeah, it's really cool. Alright, so that's how you wire up the fire alarm. So what happened is to one battery on this one, but the battery's on the smoke detector. It doesn't work with one battery. I think it works like 3 or 4 batteries. I'm not sure. Or also 2. I'm not sure. But that's it.